Good morning, students. Welcome in third standard. Today we are going to start here this regular math subject. All of you take this textbook. Regular math is available in school. Market. Then all of you take fast. In your regular math subject, this first chapter name Introduction to Geometrical Figures. Already in last year we have studied these geometrical figures, rectangle, square, triangle, circle, quadrilateral. Then see here one by one these geometrical figures in your textbook, page number 5. In your textbook, this page number 1 open. In chapter name write first Introduction to Geometrical Figures. Introduction to Geometrical Figures. Here first figure given in your syllabus, quadrilateral. Right here, quadrilateral, spelling right correctly, Quadrilateral, quadrilateral. Figure also draw here. This figure quadrilateral. This quadrilateral, this part corner, and this part edge. Edge means side. A quadrilateral has 4 edges. You see here, this one edge, 4 edges means 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 edges. Quadrilateral has 4 corners. Corners means angles. You see here 1 angle, here 2, here 3 and 4. And quadrilateral has here 4 corners or angles. Then you write here a quadrilateral has right here 4 edges. These 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners. 4 corners. Then second one figure, rectangle. You draw here figure rectangle. In rectangle only 2 sides equal, means opposite sides equal here. This side and this side equal, this side and this side equal, means in rectangle here opposite sides equal. You see this edge means side, and this one corner. Means here rectangle has how many edges? 4 edges. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many corners here? 4 corners. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 corners. This rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. And these opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. Opposite sides of this rectangle are of this equal length. Then you write here rectangle has first point 4 edges and second 4 corners. and here one point is right. The opposite sides of a rectangle, the opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. Then next one figure, square. Square. You write here, a square has 4 edges and 4 corners. Square has also 4 edges and 4 corners. You see this edge and this one corner. How many edge? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many corners here? 4 corners. Square has 4 edges and 4 corners. But in square, all the sides of a square are of equal length. See, all the sides are here same. Then you write here, square has first 4 edges and 4 corners. 4 edges and 4 corners. And one point right here, all the sides of a square, are of equal length. Here in square, here 4 corners and 4 edges. All the sides you see here, all the sides here same length. But in rectangle, only opposite sides are equal, and in square, all sides are equal. And last one figure remain, triangle. You draw here figure triangle. Here edge and this one corner. Then how many corner and how many edges you see here? 1, 2 and 3. 3 edges means 3 sides. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3. 3 edges and here 3 corners. Then you write here, a triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. 3 corners. A triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Then again some points remain. This remaining part tomorrow. All of you make one separate notebook for this regular math subject, and all classwork also, homework you write and send me. Okay, bye.